Imagine owning a piece of a company and getting paid simply for holding that ownership. No selling required, no trading required. Just regular payments are deposited into your account because the company is profitable and chooses to share those profits with its shareholders. This is one of the most powerful and often misunderstood concepts in investing. It is called a dividend, and for many investors it becomes a steady source of income over time. Welcome to Business Training Media, your on-demand platform for business skills, entrepreneurship, and career growth. Today, we are breaking down what a dividend is, how dividends work, and why many long-term investors build entire portfolios around companies that pay them. In this video, you will learn what a dividend actually is. Why do companies pay dividends to investors? How dividend payments work, and how investors use dividends to build long-term income. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand why dividends are an important part of many investing strategies. Let us start with the basic definition. A dividend is a payment that a company distributes to its shareholders from its profits. When a company earns money, it has several choices. It can reinvest the money into the business, pay down debt, acquire other companies, or return some of those profits to investors. When a company decides to share part of its profits with shareholders, that payment is called a dividend. If you own shares of a company that pays dividends, you are eligible to receive those payments. The amount you receive depends on how many shares you own and the dividend amount the company declares. For example, imagine a company announces a dividend of $1 per share. If you own 10 shares, you would receive $10. If you own 100 shares, you would receive $100. This is why many investors view dividend stocks as a way to generate income. Now let us talk about how often dividends are paid. Most companies that pay dividends distribute them quarterly, which means 4 times per year. Some companies pay monthly dividends, while others may pay annually. The payment schedule depends on the company and its financial strategy. Companies that consistently pay dividends are often well-established businesses with stable profits. These companies are sometimes referred to as dividend-paying companies or income-producing investments. But not every company pays dividends. Many fast-growing companies choose to reinvest their profits back into growth instead of distributing cash to shareholders. For example, younger companies may invest in expanding operations, developing new products, or entering new markets. Both approaches can create value for investors. Some investors prefer growth companies that aim to increase share price, while others prefer dividend-paying companies that generate regular income. Another important concept investors look at is something called dividend yield. Dividend yield measures how much income an investor receives relative to the price of the stock. It is usually expressed as a percentage. For example, if a stock pays $2 per year in dividends and the stock price is $100, the dividend yield would be 2%. Dividend yield helps investors compare income opportunities across different investments. There is also a strategy known as dividend reinvestment. Instead of taking dividend payments as cash, some investors choose to automatically reinvest those dividends into additional shares of the stock. This allows investors to buy more shares over time without adding new money. When those additional shares begin paying dividends as well, the compounding effect can accelerate long-term investment growth. This is one reason dividend investing is often associated with long-term wealth-building strategies. Reinvested dividends can gradually increase the size of an investment portfolio over time. However, it is also important to understand that dividends are not guaranteed. Companies can increase, reduce, or eliminate dividends depending on their financial performance. During economic downturns or periods of declining profits, companies may decide to cut dividend payments to conserve cash. This means investors should evaluate the financial health of companies and their long-term stability before relying on dividend income. Another thing investors often look for is a company's history of dividend payments. Some companies have established long track records of paying and increasing dividends over many years. This consistency can signal financial strength and reliable cash flow. For investors seeking passive income, dividends can play a meaningful role in a long-term financial strategy. Instead of relying only on stock price increases, dividend investors focus on building a portfolio that produces regular income through company profits. Over time, this income can be reinvested, saved, or used to support financial goals. Understanding dividends is an important step toward understanding how investors get paid in the stock market. If you want to continue learning about investing, entrepreneurship, and business skills, we have selected some recommended courses in the description that can help you build your financial knowledge. Please like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. And check out our next video, where we continue explaining important investing concepts in simple and practical ways.